Welcome everyone. I will draw some amazing character. This is character from most popular cartoon series. You know who is this? Yes is, alright, is a Gary the Snail from SpongeBob series. But this time I make some new from this suit. New amazing suit for Gary. Iron suit with rocket. And also tank wheels. Make Gary so amazing. Enjoy the process until finish. I chose a many color for the suit. Rocket color. Finish.